If you're a personal trainer who uses Trainerize, in this short tutorial, our product specialist Anthony is going to show you exactly how to use the app and easily track your client's nutrition. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. And without further ado, here's how to use nutrition.
Okay, let's take a look at our in-app meal tracker and how that's going to function for your client. So your client's going to have their dashboard. They can check their current meal tracker method by going to their settings, meal tracker, and this is currently at in-app and full meal tracking. If it's just meal photos, they'll only be prompted to take a photo and they won't be able to put the details in, like the volume of food that they're eating. So it's currently in-app full meal tracking. So we're going to go back to the dashboard. We're going to hit this blue plus button on the right hand side. That's going to prompt us to add something to the day. We're going to add a meal. And then it's going to show up our camera. It's going to automatically come here to take a photo, which you can skip if you like, or we can take a photo like so. Now this is going to show me some of my recently recorded ingredients. I can also have a list of favorites and some custom options as well. So let's track this meal. So we've got an orange, and let's look this up. It's going to give us some options of that orange. So top option here is orange. We can choose the size of that portion. So we're going to say this is a small orange and the number of that, and we're going to keep that to 1. We're going to hit the plus button on the right hand side to add that into our day. For our almond butter, we're going to use the barcode scanner, and when we scan our barcode, when we find it here we go. All right, it's picked up at the bottom there that we've scanned our almond butter. So now we're going to click next. We can see we've now added 1 small orange, 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Maybe I have more than that, so I can click the little number here and change the servings to 2.5 tablespoons of almond butter. I could also change tablespoon to some options that come up as well. At the top here, we can see the calories for that meal along with the macronutrient distribution, and we can choose if this was for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or a snack. So let's log that for the day. And then one last thing, if we have meals that we have frequently, we can come back into the day of nutrition. We can click on the little button on the side of the option and we can save it to my meals. Let's see, orange snack. What this enables me to do when I'm tracking my meals is easily go to past meals at the bottom or my meals, which can be like a list of my favorites. And on the far right hand side, if you're using the advanced nutrition coaching, you'll also be able to see a list of your custom added meals and the Trainerize recipe library.